Veterans, did you know that if you are 100% P&T, your kids could be making $56,000 while going to school? Let me explain. Your family could be eligible for this compensation per dependent. No, it's not a loan. No, it's not income-based. No, it's not something you compete for. It's earned entitlement, and most veterans never activate it, not because they don't qualify, but simply because it has never been told to them, it has never been explained to them. But today, I'm going to be breaking down chapter 35 so clean and so clear that you will understand everything you need to understand about it. If you're new here, my name is Reuben Geimah. I am a combat veteran and the CEO of VA Claims Made Easy. I have no life the VA system so that you don't have to. Because remember, the VA is not the problem. Your lack of knowledge and the system is. And that's what we fix here on this channel. Let's get into the video. Chapter 35 is Dependent Education Assistant. You're going to learn how it works, how much it pays, who qualifies, the age deadlines that permanently closes it, how to apply step by step for it, because once your child ages out, the money disappears forever. Veterans, let me ask you guys something. When you got that 100% P&T, did anyone call you and explain exactly what all the benefits you had now qualified for? The answer to that question is most likely no, but that's okay because you're doing the due diligence, you're watching this video, and you're gonna know exactly all the benefits you qualify for once you hit that 100% P&T. Because like I said, the baseline should be 100% for every single one of you guys. That's not the ceilings, guys. That's literally where the fun stuff starts to happen. That's the gateway, that's the door. And once you get that 100% P&T, you open the doors to so many options for you and your benefits, such as this benefits we're gonna be discussing. What is Chapter 35? Chapter 35 is officially called Dependent Education Assistant, DEA for short. Not the one that's gonna kick your door down. This one's gonna open doors for your kids and your spouse. It's a monthly education stipends paid directly to your spouse or your dependent children if you're rated at 100% P&T. This has nothing to do with your post 9/11 GI Bill. It's not something that you transfer. It's also not going to be deducted from your benefits. It's completely separate entitlement paid to your dependents. But here's the catch. Like all the good benefits, it is not automatic. Your dependent must apply for it, and that's where most families lose. Let's talk about the numbers. How much does this program actually pay? As of 2026, this program will pay the student $1,574, and they're eligible for up to 36 months. So that means every single month for 36 months, they're gonna be receiving this compensation as they're going to school further in their education. By the end of the 36 months program, they're gonna have made $56,634. That's insane. Imagine what your kids could be doing with that money as they're going to school. They could actually have the time to focus on their education, not have to go get a job, or if they want to go get an additional job, it's just more compensation for them. This includes your spouse as well. That's why you guys have to keep watching these videos, because you know I'm going to bring all the benefits that you've earned, and we're leaving nothing on the table, especially when it comes to building generational wealth for our children. And here's the best part of this benefits. It's per child. So if you have 2 kids, 3 kids, they're each earning this as they're going to school and furthering their educations, as long as they meet the age requirement and criteria. If you have 2 children and neither of them have applied, you could be sitting on 6 figures of unused benefits that can help your kids go to school and further their education. Let that sink in. What does this program actually covers? It's not only just for college, but it does cover a 4-year university. It covers community college, trade schools, technical training programs, apprenticeship, certification programs, same on-the-job training programs. This is workforce mobility funding, not just a degree money. And here's the catch. In today's economy, skills often outperforms degrees, so these benefits can create real career acceleration for your children or your spouse. So, who actually qualifies? What are the qualifications? Eligibility is pretty straightforward. If you are 100% PNT, your spouse and eligible dependents may qualify. Or in the scenario, the veteran passes away due to service-connected cause, they also qualify. This benefits is not income-based. Your salary does not matter when it comes to this. Your spouse income does not matter as well. You guys could be making $1 million or $5 a month. You still qualify as long as you meet those criteria. But there is an age window. Let's discuss it. This is where money gets permanently lost forever. Children typically can use the DEA between age 18 to 26. If they turn 27 without using it, that means this benefit has expired. And for spouses, there's generally has a 10 to 20 year eligibility window, depending on when the veteran was granted PNT status. This is not a lifetime eligibility. There is a clock and a timeline to this, and most families don't even know when it has started, and they end up losing out on this. But that's not gonna be you because you're watching this video and you're gonna apply it. Hold up, real quick, vets. YouTube tells me that 93.8% of you guys are watching the video but not subscribing. That's like my ex-girlfriend wanting all my VA benefits but not committing to me. Come on, man. You know, I put a lot of work, a lot of sweat into these videos. So if it's bringing value to you, just hit the subscribe button. It literally takes nothing from you, but it tells YouTube that what we're doing here at VA Cleans Made Easy is actually helping the community, so they promote and push to more veterans. And ultimately, that's our goals. So go ahead and take the time out right now. Just subscribe to the channel. So let me challenge you. Do you know how old your youngest child will be in the next 5 years? Do you know when your eligibility window is going to close? If you don't, you're guessing with money that can literally make the dependents that you have life easier. And that's kind of crazy to me. So let's talk about some of the questions that I've received from veterans in the school community group when it comes to this program. Isn't this automatic? That's the first question, and the answer to that is absolutely not. You're cooked already. Your dependent must apply. The VA does not enroll them automatically. Number two, I don't want to poke the bear. This has absolutely nothing to do with your ratings. This is under the DEA program and not your Veterans Compensation or Rating Program at all. It flows from your existing PNT determination. You are not requesting an increase, so you have nothing to worry about. Number three, my kids isn't going to college. If they're not going to college, but they're going to trade school, and you have that 100% PNT, they qualify. It is not limited only to universities. Apply for them and get them what they need. Number four, will apply later. A lot of you veterans be saying that one. Later turns into expired eligibility. Deadlines don't care about your procrastination, so the longer you push this, the closer to the deadline you get, the less compensation your family is going to get. Let me paint a real scenario. Veteran number one, 100% PNT, he has 2 kids, both of them are 18. They enroll in a trade program. He immediately tells them about this. He shared the video to them. They go and they apply, and they're receiving this compensation. They live at home. The money is offsetting their tuition, reduce student loans, preserve family capital, and after 6 months, they made bank and they got their education. That right there is a smart veteran. Most veterans focus only on their monthly compensation, which is crazy because there's so many other benefits. And when I'm telling you guys to max out your benefits, I'm not only referring to the monthly compensation. I'm talking about programs like these that gets your family paid, and you actually have already earned it and deserve it. Strategists focus on all the layers of the VA program, and they make sure they leave nothing on the table, because why would you leave it on the table? So think about this, guys. When you deploy, your family deployed emotionally with you. When you train, they adjust their life in accordance to your training schedule. The time you are gone, that was all stressful on the whole family. This benefits assist because your service affected more than just you, it affected your family as well. Not using it is literally being selfish. The strategy here is use as much as you can to help them as much as you can as well. Here's how your dependent can apply for this program. Step 1, the dependent must submit via Form 225490. Step 2, apply online through va.gov. Step 3, select approved education program. Step 4, VA verifies your 100% PNT status. Step 5, payment begins directly to the dependent during their enrollment. Straight direct deposit. It's a very simple process, but only if you know it exists. But here's the kicker. Chapter 35 is just one of many programs that the VA has to offer. There's special monthly compensation. I've already done a video on that. Go take a look at that. There's the caregiver program. I've also done a video on that. There's the combat-related special compensation. I've also done a video on that. There's secondary cleans, foreign medical programs, all these videos that will literally change your life I've done, and you just need to go and watch it and apply it. They're equally as good. With that being said, guys, if you need help with any of these, click the link in my description, join my school community group. This is the fastest way to get a hold of me, to get assistance from me. I truly hope this video brought value to you, and if it did, share it with a veteran that you know is gonna bring value to as well. Don't forget to take a look at this one and this one. They're equally gonna provide you with just as much value as this one has. My name is Reuben Geimah. I'm the CEO of VA Cleans Made Easy. I have no life to VA system so that you don't have to. We'll see you either in the school community group on our live calls that we do every Friday at 6 p.m. or in the next video. Peace.